one last stop here on this ride around with Thomas Rivers Brown. We're in Oakville in the M-Bar Ranch Vineyard, and a different trellising system here, so you're not seeing that short cane issue that we were seeing in some of the other vineyards.
Yeah, so this is the first cordon prune vineyard that you and I are seeing today. And you can see in here, because of that, nice even cane growth, canopy growth, nice and dark green, fuller clusters, cane diameters that support any of the clusters that we set. So just kind of a healthier way to train the vineyards this year, just by luck. I mean, there's a great carbohydrate store in cordon prune vineyards, so I think they just had the ability to push a little harder. And then you're seeing what I would say looks like a normal year in terms of cane length, leaf color, cane diameter, all that kind of stuff. So what you see set here in the fruiting zone should be all the fruit we're able to ripen and use this year.
So do you need to pump the brakes here a little bit?
It's a little earlier ripening than we first thought when we developed it. M-Bar is owned by Round Pond now, so we use it for 2 of the Round Pond bottlings. And so it did turn out to be an early site. So you can see the cane length is sort of purposely a little shorter based on where you see the cordon arm height and sort of the top catch wire. So we purposely have shorter canes here. You can see that they've been hedged, manually hedged. So we have fewer leaf positions, a little less horsepower in the canopy to help slow the ripening down a touch.